Hello Internet. Today we have Rollei RGB portable light. It came from Amazon Returns. As you can see, it's got RGB plus cold white and warm white. The fault is that it works only on external supply and it flickers. So let's check it. Well, it power ups. Well, it doesn't seem to flicker. At least not until you shake it. And for sure it doesn't work without external power supply. So let's take a quick squeeze inside. I have a similar light I fixed in the other video, but it doesn't have RGB. Well, this looks like the battery tab is broken. It works when I just push on it. So let's just desolder the battery and see if we can fix it. I need to move this thermal pad. A bit of heat. So I was trying to solder the tab, but it don't want to take solder. I contacted a guy with a spot welder, but he says this is aluminum tab and he won't be able to spot weld it. After a quick YouTube search, I found that factory spot welds were made by laser spot welder. I don't have any of that, so I think I just use a ZIF socket. Of course, we don't want any copper touching the aluminum, because we will get electrochemical corrosion. This ZIF socket is a bit too long.
That's what she said!
But it's free, and free is a fair price. The tab is only 0.1 millimeters thick. So I will take the plastic from original flat flex to make this tab a bit thicker. That way the socket won't slip off. And now we can solder wire to the socket. Of course, it's always good to secure it with tape. There is never enough tape you can use to secure something. Now the only thing that's left is to solder the battery back in. Of course, there's no easy access to the negative tap. And after soldering the wire, you can see the lights light up. I can reuse high quality paper isolators. There is a leash pin I forgot to put on earlier. And there's only 6 screws left to finish this job. So that's another light to my collection of things that light up. It also has some cool effects that could be useful for filmmakers. Other the fact that they didn't glue the battery, this is a really nice light. Thanks for watching and see you next time.